first, I'm gonna use Vaseline to prep my face. For foundation, I use Giorgio Armani shade number 4 and I'm mixing it with Estee Lauder Double Wear shade Tawny. I apply with damp beauty sponge from my Samisuko. And for highlighting my face, I use NARS Creamy Concealer in shade Vanilla and apply with my Mini Beauty Blender. It will make it easier to apply with Mini Beauty Blender and makes looks more natural. Next step, to set all my complexion, I use MAC Studio Fix shade NC25 with Sigma brush F20 for all over my face. Next step, I use Benefit Cream Gel Brow color number 3. To be honest, I'm so hard to use this cream gel. The color not really match with my eyebrow colors. I'm adding more color with my Muji pencil eyebrow in shade brown. And to have a long-lasting eyebrow shape, I fix it with brow mascara from Benefit. For this mascara, I love it so much. It's make my eyebrow more long-lasting and looks more natural. Next, before I apply any color for my eyelids, I use concealer to priming my eyelids. And set with the palette color in my eyeshadow palette. Then I use pink on my crease area using blending brush. And I take the orange color to apply on my outer V. For the fun part, I use Stila Glitter eyeshadow and apply on my inner crease. And next, I use Maybelline Expert Volume Express Mascara for upper and bottom lashes. I applying some fake lashes to make more dramatic. I make a simple wing eyeliner. And use glitter in the lower lash line to make my eyes more pop. And then next, I use Hoola bronzer to shading my cheek and nose for looking more sharp and thin. Next, I use Marc Jacob Orange Blush On to make my look more fun. Now this is the most important thing. I use my all-time favorite highlighters palette from Sleek. And I use on my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, my cupid bows, my brow bone area, the center of my forehead, and honestly, I use highlighter for all my face. I use 3 lips product from Vice Urban Decay. And the last step, I use setting spray to make my skin looks more shine and stay longer. And yeah, voila, this is the result.